Good morning. Let's go through your bell ringer. Your weekly question is, why do some plants have fruit? This is the time of year when we're getting plants and vegetables and fruits, and we pick them and eat them. Do you think plants make fruit just for you to eat? No. The actual real reason is because the seeds inside the fruit is how the plants reproduce. So the process of the fruit begins with a flower. If you have ever grown any kind of plant that makes a fruit or a vegetable, it usually starts with a flower that blooms. I know at home, I have some squash plants, and they always start with a flower that blooms. And then the pollen, which are from the male part of the flower. And we'll talk more specifically about those things later on when we talk about plants in our main science class. This is just our bell ringer. So pollen from the male part of the flower combines with the female parts in the flower's ovary. And this is called pollination. And as a result, it makes the seeds. So the flower's ovary enlarges to form a fruit that surrounds the seeds. The purpose of that fruit is to protect the seeds. And it also helps in seed dispersal because animals will eat that fruit, which means either they're going to eat the seed or they're going to leave the seed behind if it's like a peach pit or something that's bigger. But then they'll eat the seeds, and then they will disperse the seeds in their scat or their droppings. So here you see the parts of the flower. It says click and drag the sentences to put the steps in the correct order to show the process by which plants make fruit. So you had to click and put these in the correct order. So the first one you should have is a plant produces a flower. The second one, flowers are pollinated. Third, we have a seed that forms. And then last, the plant's ovary grows into a fruit. If animals ate flowers before they were pollinated, would this help or hurt a plant's ability to spread to new places? Explain your answer. Well, if they were eaten as flowers before they could turn into fruits, that would hurt the plant's ability to spread because the plant could not make seeds. And that is where we get new plants from the seeds. If you have any questions, please let me know.